First question is from multiple. First question is multiple choice. The efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population is called agricultural quotient, agricultural degeneration, agricultural development, agricultural index. Repeating once again the question, the efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population is called agricultural quotient, agricultural degeneration, agricultural development, agricultural index.
Agricultural quotient.
Agricultural development.
Agricultural development.
Ma'am, agricultural development.
Agricultural development. डेवलपमेंट होगा. इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन के डिमांड को पूरा करने के लिए जो एफर्ट हम लोग करते हैं, हाइव सीड्स, देन all these things, mechanization, mechanized agriculture, tractor, thresher, harvester, etc. Use of all these things. These are all these efforts are doing for getting better yield. This is called agricultural development. Name the type of farming. Name the type of farming practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. Commercial farming, mixed farming, plantation agriculture, subsistence agriculture.
Subsistence agriculture.
Subsistence agriculture. Very good. Subsistence to meet the need of farmer's family. It is subsistence agriculture. Commercial में तो वो तो एक्सपोर्ट भी करते हैं, है ना, और मिक्स्ड जिसमें दोनों चीज हो जो subsistence होगा. अब है एग्रीकल्चर इज प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी, tertiary activity, secondary activity, none of this.
Agriculture is primary activity.
Primary activity.
Yes, agriculture is primary activity. अच्छा, what is commercial farming? Mention its major features.
Commercial agriculture is the type of agriculture which is typically done on a very large scale.
Commercial agriculture is typically done on a very large scale with the purpose of
In
selling
this
the
type of
produce
farming,
in the market to
farmers
make
select
profit.
and sow a single
farmer
crop
selects
according to
a
the
single
geographical
crop
and
according
market
to
conditions of the
natural
region.
and
It is a
market
specialized
conditions
form
of
of agriculture which is
It
practiced
is
on a very
specialized from our agriculture which is
also called
practiced
crop
in
specialization.
large
This type
farms.
of farming
दो जन शुरू कर दिए थे, ठीक है. तो कमर्शियल ये
agriculture
मतलब 1 2 3 पॉइंट करके दे देना कि इन कमर्शियल फार्मिंग क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन एंड एनिमल्स आर रेयर्ड फॉर सेल इन द मार्केट. For sale in the market. Features are: number 1, the area cultivated and the amount of capital used is large. Means area also large and capital also large. Most of the work is done by machines. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation agriculture. मीन्स कमर्शियल में कमर्शियल ग्रेन फार्मिंग भी आ जाएगा, मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग भी आ जाएगा और प्लांटेशन एग्रीकल्चर भी आ जाएगा. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है बस आपका भी सही है. एक मिनट. By what name is shifting cultivation known in different regions of the world?
Zooming.
Dash agriculture.
No, ma'am, no. Zooming Northeast India, Milpa, Mexico, Roca, Brazil, Ladakh, Malaysia.
Very good. ये Zooming Northeast India, Milpa, Mexico, Roca, Brazil, Ladakh, Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yes. अच्छा, ये एडिशनल है, आपके बुक में नहीं है तो ये सिर्फ स्लैश एंड बर्न ही पूछेगा. बट झूमिंग, झूम की खेती हिंदी बुक में आपके चैप्टर में एक है ये कहानी. जो भी हो, एक्सप्लेन हाउ इंटेंसिव सबसिस्टेंस फार्मिंग इज डन. Intensive subsistence farming is done.
Intensive subsistence farming. The farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Climate with large number of days with sunshine and fertile soils permit growing of more than one crop annually on the same plot.
Small plot of land.
Very good. Very good. In intensive subsistence farming, farmer uses simple tools and more labor to cultivate a small plot of land. Rice is the main crop which is produced under this farming. ये कौन सी फार्मिंग है? इंटेंसिव सबसिस्टेंस. चलिए नेक्स्ट है, name the inputs and outputs of agriculture in general. Also mention the various operations involved. Inputs, आप कंप्यूटर जानते हो, इनपुट और आउटपुट क्या होता है, उसी चीज को
Inputs are seeds, fertilizers, machinery and labor. And outputs are crops, wool, dairy and poultry products. And operations are plowing, sowing, irrigation, weeding and
अब अन्वेषा
harvesting.
श्रेजा बोलेगी. अन्वेषा बोलो, उसके बाद श्रेजा बोलेगी. आनंद की मैंने सुन ली, अन्वेषा बोलो. अन्वेषा.
Each means irrigation. Yes. Ma'am, inputs are fertilizers, machinery, etc.
कुछ लगता है प्रॉब्लम है टेक्निकल, आवाज नहीं आ रही है. हाँ बोलो. बोलो.
These are seeds, fertilizers, machinery, and labor.
Very good.
Good crops,
हाँ.
dairy, and products.
Okay. So inputs in agriculture are seeds, fertilizers, machinery, labor, etc. Operations involved in agriculture are plowing, sowing, irrigation, weeding, and harvesting. As outputs of the farming activity, a farmer gets crop, wool, dairy products, and poultry products. पहले इनपुट क्या किए, जो जो यूज किए पेड़ उगाने के लिए, दैट इज इनपुट. और कौन कौन ऑपरेशन उसमें हुआ? प्लोइंग भी किए, सोइंग भी, पानी पटाया, आसपास से जो अनवांटेड प्लांट है उसको उखाड़ फेंके, और फिर हार्वेस्टिंग, जब पका तो वो हम लोग हार्वेस्ट किए. और आउटपुट में क्या मिला? तो क्रॉप्स मिला, ऊल मिला, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट मिला और पोल्ट्री प्रोडक्ट मिला. नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज Farm system.
Ma'am, please.
What is farm system? So when agriculture or farming is looked at as a system is called farm system. It includes 3 steps: input, processing and output. Input, processing and output. अब बोलो, explain the agricultural development.
When the food
Cultural development refers to efforts made to increase farm production in order
earlier
to
times, when the
population.
food was in abundance, but with the increasing population, the demand of food has increased, which has exerted a lot of pressure on land to produce more and more food. So, in order to reduce famine, to eradicate famine, and to have more production of food supplies, agricultural development took place. Farmers started using insecticides, pesticides, fertilizers, biotechnology,
Okay.
etc. Started using forests from different species, different machines, tractors.
कोई और बोलेंगे? Agricultural development.
Agricultural development refers to the efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. This can be achieved in many ways, such as the number of crops grown area, improving irrigation fertility facilities, use of fertilizers, and high yielding variety of seeds such as HYV seeds. Mechanization of agriculture is another aspect of agriculture development. The ultimate aim of agriculture development is to increase food security.
Very good. To increase food security. कोई और बोलेगा? अच्छा.
Agricultural development refers to the efforts that are made to meet the requirements of the increasing population. Since the population has increased a lot in these years, the demand for food has also increased, which has more pressure on the farmers for growing more food. So in order to feed the whole population, agricultural development took place, and farmers use HYV variety of seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and modern machines, etc., to increase the yield and to meet the demands of the growing population.
Okay. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन सुनिए. ये है, what are the types of commercial farming?
Extensively ranching and dairy farming.
Commercial farming are agriculture,
extensive agriculture, plantation agriculture, ranching and dairy farming.
livestock ranching और dairy farming.
ठीक है. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purpose. Wheat and maize are common commercially grown grains. Major areas where commercial grain farming is practiced are temperate grassland of North America, Europe and Asia. और मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग में क्या होते हैं, आप ही बताओ. इन मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग
क्या बोले सुनाए?
Animals are reared along with the production of crops.
Yes.
In mixed farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock.
Is known as mixed farming.
It is practiced in
Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa.
New Zealand, South Africa, Southeast Asia, including India, South.
अब थर्ड टाइप प्लांटेशन बता दो. अब थर्ड टाइप इसमें कमर्शियल फार्मिंग के थर्ड पॉइंट में आप प्लांटेशन लिखो, इसको बता दो.
Plantation are a type of commercial farming with single crop of
Their crops are it is a very well organized system of agriculture wherein a single crop farming is done. In this type of farming, a single crop benefit from a single crop is obtained continuous. It is usually practiced in hot and humid regions of the world, and the crops are generally the crops include coffee, rubber, and tea.
Ma'am,
plantations are a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana, or cotton are grown. Large amount of labor and capital are required. The produce may be processed on the farm. Development of residential farming. Plantation found in the tropical region in Malaysia, India, and Sri Lanka are some examples.
Farmer state usually in a tropical or subtropical country where crops are grown for sale in distant markets rather than local consumptions. Ma'am, it is a very well organized system of agriculture wherein a single crop farming is done.
Good.
It means scientific method of farming, transport facilities, low cost in large number. Plantation agriculture is commonly practiced in hot and humid regions of the world. It includes crops like coffee, rubber, and tea. Ma'am, most of the processing work is done at the plantation itself.
Okay. अच्छा, शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन तो जानते हो, फिर भी पूछ लेते हैं. उसके साथ एक और क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी कि व्हाट इज शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन एंड व्हाट आर इट्स एडवांटेज. सॉरी डिसएडवांटेज. व्हाट आर इट्स डिसएडवांटेज. पहले शिफ्टिंग का बोलो डेफिनेशन और फिर उसके डिसएडवांटेजेस बताओ. बोलो.
Shifting agriculture is also called slash and burn agriculture, in which when the soil once loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivators to a new plot. Disadvantages of the shifting soil erosion, and the land is first deforested to grow plants, so the forests are depleted. Also, there is since the forests are burned before the plants are cultivated, pollution also takes place.
Ma'am, shifting
cultivation is also known as agriculture. It is a type of farming activity which involves clearing a land.
Ma'am, its disadvantages are after the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned, and the cultivator move to a new plot. People who follow shifting agriculture do not lead a settled life. It is prevalent in dense forests of tropical Africa, South Asia, and some parts of northeast India.
It is disadvantageous because it involves deforestation and burning of trees, so it is not good for the environment. Acha, what are different kinds of cultivation?
The different kinds of cultivation are shifting cultivation.
Agriculture, sericulture, pisciculture,
viticulture, pisciculture, horticulture.
Apiculture
Kinds of cultivation. Agriculture का definition आप जानते हो. Agriculture is the art of, बोलो,
raising crops.
Cultivation,
Agriculture is the science and art of raising crops, rearing of livestock, forestry, and fishing.
It is also
अच्छा,
called farming.
क्या होगा, साइंस में पढ़े होगे, सेरिकल्चर इज द rearing of silkworm.
Commercial rearing of silkworm.
Extract silk. ठीक है. Next, pisciculture.
Breeding of fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds. Breeding of fish.
Fish in
Breeding of bees.
constructed tanks and ponds. Or viticulture is cultivation of
grapes.
grapes, angur. Or horticulture is growing
Vegetables, flowers and fruits for commercial use.
for commercial. Very good. For
Commercial use.
commercial use. ठीक है, तो आपके तो सब हो गए. अच्छा, आप बताइए इस चैप्टर्स में किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? और कुछ बच्चे न्यू एडमिशन है, मुझे दिख रहा है, फिलहाल नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है. जैसे कि एक नाम याद है दिया, एक नाम याद है मुझे दिया, और कई और सेक्शन में भी कई नाम हैं. कई और सेक्शन में भी कई बच्चे न्यू आए हैं.